Jordan, all day, every day, all we do is study million-dollar brands and what they're doing to make more money. This is our attempt to look forward and say, what are those brands doing in 2024 that's going to continue to give them a competitive advantage and make more sales? If you want to win big in 2024 in your online business, we've got some predictions here for you to do exactly that. The big creators are going to be using these exact strategies and technologies more and more, and you should be doing exactly the same thing.
All right, Scott, so you sent me some predictions. They're checkout predictions for 2024 that are going to boost my business, increase my revenue. Let's do it. Prediction number 1, we got checkout automation. Expand on this.
So checkout automation is giving the right offer to the right person at the right time. It's kind of like how you're on Amazon and all of a sudden you're like checking out and then you see that one product that's just like you wasn't really in your brain, but it's right there and they have you add it to your cart and you spend more money on Amazon, right? Same stuff, but for your sales. So we really believe that being able to customize that checkout experience to whoever is actually looking at it, it's specific and it's personal to them, right? You are going to win big and make more money. Imagine a world where you go to buy something and the headline changes to match you, or the order bumps change to match your purchase history, or the upsells change, or the colors change. Things where it feels like the checkout is reading your mind. That is a world that we are trying to create here because we know that you are the one who's going to win big in the end when checkout automation is the standard.
Prediction number 2, one-click payments are everywhere.
Yeah, so this is one that you see all over the place, right? This is the idea that you don't pull out your credit card as much as you used to. In fact, Jordan, we were talking about before this, I never pull out my credit card. I'm using Apple Pay. I'm using stored credit cards. You're door dashing and it's saved on the app. Amazon Pay, Shop Pay, Stripe Link, Apple Pay, Google Pay. All these networks are making it easier and easier for you to one-click buy things.
If you're a seller, the biggest question in 2024 that you're going to hear from your customers are, do you take Apple Pay?
And the answer better be yes, or else you are going to be missing out on sales.
Prediction number 3, owned audience, owned channel.
The big one here is customers over subscribers. People who are winning, and we see this all the time, are people who don't need other audiences or other attention. They grow and they focus on their own audience and they sell their own stuff. Right? We do not see creators thriving and growing and booming who are selling affiliate offers, who are promoting other people's products, right? You might have a sponsorship deal or something, but you're talking about it's my audience, they're here to follow me, and I sell them things that I own and reap all the rewards from. We even pulled this data from the Creator Profit Report. Your email list is still your highest source of potential customers, and we know that a customer is worth about 10 or 12 email subscribers. And we know that how your inner circle membership customers are worth 3 times more than a normal customer. So it's this bring people closer and closer, let them get closer to you, get them off of social media channels, onto email lists.
The next prediction, behavior-based offer.
Yeah, this is basically like a checkout or an experience that understands who you are and what you've already done. Think like airline prices, jacking up rates for people who search for an airline multiple times. Supply and demand pricing. Imagine you have some kind of an event you're selling tickets to, like a coaching mastermind or something like that, right? Well, imagine as your countdown timer ticks down to 0, why shouldn't that price start creeping up? We've got 3 seats left and 2 seats left, 1 seat left. And why couldn't the price start going up so that you make more in that process?
The next prediction, the loyalty model. This is an emphasis on repeat customers.
We believe sellers who can lean into that and who have features and who have, smart strategy that makes it easier for people to buy again are the ones who are going to be doubling, tripling their profits this year. It's why so many apps have loyalty programs, and Chipotle wants to give you a free burrito when you pay for 12 of them. The idea is I can drive repeat customers. I can incentivize people to come back and buy again. Those people are the ones winning.
Okay, I like this one. Funnels will die. They've been on the way out. Are they going to be finally dead this year? We're going to call them dead.
I'm going to call them dead. I'm ready to call them dead. They had their day. It is over. It is done with, right? Funnels, this complex system where someone goes from one page to another page, 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 and then eventually buys. Think about how you like buying things now. You go on social media, you learn about one product, someone sends you to a page to buy that product, and that's it. Customers hate jumping through hoops and going from one page to the next, to the next, to the next. And so people who can lean into this, right? Again, we believe it's why we are building Checkout Anywhere. It's why we are investing in this world, right? Is because we believe that people who are focused on making simple experiences for their customers are getting more customers and are winning out big time.
The next prediction, the micro community.
The micro community. People want your take on something, right? If you're one of a million guys out there talking about how to golf better, right? Or how to cook better or something kind of like that. People want your advice on that. And you should get paid for that experience of building your own micro community. And you've got apps like this popping up all over the place, right? You've got Patreon, has of course been around for a long time. Beehive, where you can hop on people's newsletters. Substack, where you can subscribe to individual people. School, you're building these communities. All of these kind of things are micro community driven. And creators who are building their own micro communities and paying and getting paid for the right, are ones who are going to be adding a ton to their bottom line this year.
And the last prediction of 2024, instant financing is here.
Selling expensive stuff really sucks. It's a tough thing to do. Very few people take action, but it's worth it because they pay a lot of money. Instant financing, Afterpay, Klarna, buy now, pay later options. When you have those options available, more people are taking action when a Klarna, buy now, pay later, whatever options are breaking up that price for them, right? You get paid in full, which is bonkers, right? That's the craziest thing ever. And you don't have to stretch these out of these long payment plans. You're not in charge of if someone stops paying, that's up to Klarna or Afterpay. Instant financing is changing the game. If you sell a product that's more than, say, $300, you absolutely have to have these options available. Get paid now, and the customer owes that money to Afterpay or Klarna. So those are our predictions. That's 2024 in a nutshell. That's what we see. If you disagree, fight me in the comments. Let me know. What do you think is going to happen instead? I would love to hear your opinion.